Hey guys, it's Dima from DimusTech, and today I'm going to show you a small little trick that will speed up your work with Google Drive documents. First of all, let's demonstrate how an average person would open a new spreadsheet in Google Drive. He would have to go to Google Drive, hit New, and then Google Sheets. This will open a new Google spreadsheet in a new tab. Now let me show you another, better way to do that. As you can see, with a small shortcut, I enter directly to a new spreadsheet document, without the need to enter to Google Drive. There are shortcuts like that for every Google Drive product. All those shortcuts that I could find, I will obviously add in the description of this video. Same can be done, for example, with Google Docs, so if we'll hit doc.new, you'll see that it will create a new document in Google Drive. Beyond all the Google Drive documents, there's also Google Keep, one of my favorite tools, and we can just hit keep.new, which will directly open a new Google Keep note. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.